Wow, amazing. What is the most amazing thing about your phone? Today you're going to know how to create account or an account. Then the other thing I can also tell is how to create a Google or an account using a Google Gmail app. So click where there are three lines there. Click where there are three lines there. After clicking there, it will direct to where you can say settings. Then click click on top there. Let me show you. After clicking there, you need now to see that there is this thing, there is that thing. After that thing, then place there on top where it's showing your existing Gmail account or existing uh, yeah, Gmail account. So after pressing there, it will show already existing account like this and also add account. Use add account, then you're going to create account. If that phone doesn't have, is not showing that, then you're absolutely going again there, then scroll down until you find the setting icon, then do that, press on settings, then still you're going to find where it's saying add account after seeing the already existing accounts. After that, there is also what we are talking of, what a classroom. If you are at school or secondary school, you are at you are a student and you want to create a classroom account or a Gmail account or use creating an account using Classroom, press on Classroom. After pressing on Classroom, then after pressing Classroom, and you are going now to find what there are three lines again. These three lines again, there is also, you're going also to see the accounts on top of what you are using. Just press over there, then you're going to see other accounts down there that you are not using, like this one. So press add another account, meaning that you've created an account to be shown to all apps. Thank you very much. Ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to keep you informed.